Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. So in this video here, I'm just going to be pretty much showing y'all what it's like on a day-to-day running a t-shirt business. All right, so it's about 10 o'clock at night and I'm trying to get all my orders prepared so that I can get them shipped out tomorrow. So I have a whole bunch of gang sheets that I have to do for customers. I have some t-shirts I have to get pressed up, and I have some custom hoodies I have to get done up. The hoodies was a last minute thing the customer wanted because they're going to the Kanye West concert and they wanted some Yeezy inspired hoodies that they with a design that they came up with. So that was a last minute thing that I'm trying to get knocked out real quick and get it sent to them before the concert comes up. So it's about midnight. I just finished all my transfers and I'm getting my boxes ready so I can ship off my gang sheets to these customers. So that's how it look. If you was to order some, that's how they all arrive to you. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get this shirt pressed up. And y'all, I stumbled across this company here called Port and Company that does t-shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies, all kind of apparel. And I think this is gonna be my new go-to. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but like I said, I stumbled across one of their shirts and I felt the shirt and I was like, man, this shirt feels real soft. And so I ordered some of their ring spun shirts. And I'm telling y'all now, the quality of their shirts compared to Gildan is like night and day. This is not the knock on Gildan. I like them, but if I find something that's better, you know I got to go with that. And speaking of good products, I now carry the best products in the DTF game on my website. So I'll leave a link down in the description if anybody's interested. Okay, so I already got this design centered on the shirt, and we're going to go ahead and press it. And I press all my t-shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. All right, so this is how the shirt is looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my finishing sheet and apply it and go ahead and give it this final finishing press. Okay, so this is how the design turned out. And if you got the right DTF supplies, the right t-shirt, and you design your design the right way, then you don't have to ever worry about having that plastic sound or that plastic feel. So the next design we're gonna do are the two hoodies. And this is for the customer who wanted to do the Kanye themed hoodies. And the fronts are gonna be identical. They're both gonna have this design right here that says bully going across the front, and on the back, it's going to be two different designs. One design is going to be one verse of one of his songs, and the other hoodie is going to have another verse from either the same song or a different song. So I got the first design centered on the hoodie, and what I do is I take my measuring tape and I measured from the pockets on the front of a hoodie. I go from the pocket up and from the top down, and then I go from the left to the right, making sure that I got it exactly centered. And this is how this one turned out right here. And like I said, both fronts will be identical, as you can see right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the different designs onto the back of both of these hoodies. So with the heat press that I'm using, which is the HTV Runt heat press, when it comes to doing hoodies, I either turn them to the side or turn them backwards. That way the hood part is not getting stuffed up in the back. So right now I have it upside down. The hoodie is laying to the front and I'm sticking it upside down so I can press it. And this is a big transfer, so I'm gonna have to double press it to make sure that the design is transferred well onto the hoodie. All right, y'all. So this is how the hoodies turned out. You see, we got bully going across the front of both of them, and then on the back we got, I guess, some of Kanye West music verses. But if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching.